A very good and hot morning.
I just wanted to give you a brief of what has happened with my bike. Yesterday, you'll see there's not much damage. You can't really make out what has happened. I fell down with the bike yesterday on the left side. Actually, it was very muddy and there was slush on the road, and I'd say that even if you don't understand that it's going to be a bit dangerous, don't try and ride over water. Even if the road is very clean and very dry on the other sides, and there are no other patches, what's underneath the water is not something that we never know. And I fell down with the bike. I actually skidded on the slush that was underneath the water, which was not visible, and the mirror has cracked and it's very loose now. I can get this fixed, I know, but I thought that okay, so since this has happened this way, why not I get something custom, and make my bike look a bit different than the others. And there is a scratch on the handguards as well, as you can see. So I would say that these are very very useful, because of these handguards I didn't really injure my hands. And here is a bit of scratch also, that's very minor. And of course the leg guard which fell on the road. You can see, I'll probably get some threading done around it so that it doesn't look so bad. After all that stuff is done, then I'll probably get the bike cleaned. It's very muddy at the moment, it's full of dirt. And of course, this thing also has been a bit of damage, because there was some bricks on the road and it fell on the brick on the rear part. I am lucky that this thing is okay, but this has been damaged. Apart from that, the bike is perfect. There's no other problem, and it's as beautiful as it was on the day I bought it. It's probably more beautiful now. So I'll get everything sorted. I will do a bit of work on the bike today, and I'll cover everything. I'll try and cover everything in this video. very hot and the summer is just killing me. However, I've got some job done today on the bike, and you'll see that the mirror is fixed now. It's perfect. I just need to get the sari guard and the leg guard colored because they have a bit of rust on them. Here is some rust. Actually the color has been removed, when the bike fell, so it's a bit rusty now, and the same has happened with the leg guard as well. There you go. So I will try and get this color tomorrow or maybe today, and the bike will be new again. Anyways, it's brand new and it looks beautiful as always, so I'll keep you updated.